In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use extensions in Safari on iOS 18. Let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your device, scroll down to the bottom, and tap on Apps. From there, scroll down and look for the Safari app, then tap on it. In the Safari app settings, go to Extensions under the General section. Here, you'll see some built-in extensions available for Safari, like Paper Honey. To enable an extension, simply tap on it and toggle on the button beside Allow Extension. If you want to explore more extensions, tap on the highlighted More Extensions link. This will redirect you to the App Store, where you can find many extensions available for download. You'll see popular options like Grammarly and other useful tools. Some extensions are free, while others may require a purchase. For this example, let's choose a free extension. Tap on the extension that you want, then tap the Get button to begin the installation. Wait for it to finish downloading, and once the installation is complete, go back to the Safari extension settings, find the newly added extension, and toggle on the button beside Allow Extension. And there you go, you're all set to use extensions in Safari on iOS 18. Enjoy enhancing your browsing experience. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.